안녕하세요, 여러분. Hi, morning to you. Hope you are doing well, you good-looking goddamn trader. Ohio gozaimasu. It is 8:24. Yeah. Hope you are all doing well, man. Yes, let me reload this quick first. So today we are looking at the charts, and before we continue, Europe is having a bank holiday. I mentioned that yesterday at my journal, that we are experiencing this bank holiday, and the French and the German. So the Europe pair is going to be affected a little bit, yeah. Observance of the session day, where there is below liquidity and irregular volatility. So even yesterday we saw that the market was not doing anything. As we know, on Wednesday and on Thursday, the markets tend to move 60, 50, 40 pips, then it just moves a lot. But that was not the case. Yesterday. Yesterday the market was just ranging. Yesterday we started a range after trending on Tuesday. So looking at the daily, marking up the buy side and the sell side liquidity, so the market is still in this fair value gap on the daily. And for me on the daily I'm bullish. I am like the market should come into this OB and then boom, push to the upside. That's my bias on the daily. So let's switch over these charts to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour we saw that this supply was created on the morning of Wednesday, as the market was selling off during the Asian session. During the London session, was it? Yeah, I believe so. It was New York session. We came and tapped the supply, then we pushed to the downside. There's no break control on the daily, on the 4 hour, I mean. So the market is just, you can see the consolidation. After the market sell off, there was this consolidation. I don't know if you can see it. And remember what I always say: a consolidation is a build up for the market to either break to the downside or break to the upside. So a consolidation or a range in the market is a build up in the market for the market to break to the upside or to the downside. For our case, this breaking down to the downside is more probable on the 4 hour, since this supply is acting as a resistance. When we're trading below it, acts as a resistance, and when we'll be trading above it, it will act as a support. So but now we are trading below it. You see, the first time it came, tapped down. Yeah. Moving over to the 1 hour. To the 1 hour, on the 1 hour we are seeing a different scenario or case. What the market is telling us is that we are having a coming into the 1 hour time frame. The first thing we notice is the range that we are ranging in this area over here, and as we can see, the range is getting smaller and smaller. Yeah, right now we are below this supply mass. Below this we are selling, and we are above this demand. Above it we are buying. Also we are seeing above this one we are buying. Remember yesterday on my breakdown I was saying the top of this The market was at this level. On the top of this, we are going to push to the upside. So today, in order for me to take a buy, what will I need? I will need the break of this, and we continue to buy. Also, we are saying that we are below this supply, this demand. Us being below this demand is telling us what? That the market is on a selling spree. Let me draw that. We are below this demand over here. You see, the market is below the demand. What it is telling us is that we are more likely to sell, and market may continue selling during the London session to this point. Since this would be the second tap, we may look to enter a little bit and create some sort of market structure shift to push to the upside. We are in this range, remember that, on the 1 hour. So switching over to that means switching over to that means we are seeing the range clearly right now. Delete that. Let me delete that. Switching over to the 30 minutes, we are seeing the range pretty much clearly. Also, we are seeing this supply over here. We are trading below. We are below the supply, so the market is more likely to do what? To sell off. Also, on the 30 minutes, we are seeing the trend line liquidity. When the market tapped this, we are pushing to the upside. Let me draw that. Market tap up, tap up, tap up, tap. What does the trend line liquidity tell us? There may be a tap and then a little bit of a up and then break. See? The trend line liquidity, that is what it tells us. And then when we come at this level, some boom, boom. Yeah, that trend line liquidity, that is what tells us, not that on the 30 minutes. So as you can see, it is coinciding with what I was saying. I was saying on the London session today, we are more likely to push to the downside. But I'll be wary today. The market, as we have seen, low liquidity and irregular volatility. So because of the bank holidays, yeah, that's what tends to happen. Switching over to the 15 minutes. Switching over to the 15 minutes, we are getting to see what the market is doing, and yeah, there's not much thing to say, but above, in the 15 minutes, I will need the break of this zone and also this zone for me to continue buying up. To the selling, I will need the break of this one. Yeah, continue selling. But as you can see, this one is not coinciding with the 1 hour. Yeah. So I'm not really looking to sell the market. I am looking to buy the market, since as we have seen on the 30 minutes on the 1 hour time frame, there will be this level over here. Now, switching over to the 5 minutes, this one will get us a look around about the market. So, wow, yesterday I was sick. I was feeling a little bit under the weather. I never traded the London session, the New York session I mean. I only traded the London session, and I got to catch this move. Got out at this particular point here. Where was it? This particular point here. Yeah, and if I were to trade London session, the New York session I mean, the New York session. When the market was selling off, I would have just pressed my buy there and look to push this market to the upside. Yeah, where was it? Yeah, this level. My stop loss below that, taking to the upside. Also looking to the 30 minutes, it was coinciding. I called this move yesterday during the breakdown. Yeah, this one will take forever to load. Yes, I called this move from yesterday's morning breakdown. Buy from this area, boom. And look at that. The market during the New York session, it came down to this particular point, and boom, to this high. And that is just beautiful. It was just amazing to see it in person. Yeah. Now that was the New York's trade that I never took because I had to sleep even earlier. Well, these medicines. Okay, on the 5 minutes, let's look at the 5 minutes. The Asian buy sell liquidity and the sell side liquidity is at this level. Now let's switch over to this place over here and have a clear look. As it is loading, let's focus here below, down below this point. Yeah, let's focus on this point. So looking at this point, what are we seeing? We are seeing the New York high that was formed yesterday and the New York low that was formed yesterday. We are above the New York high, so what does that tell you? We buy. It is ideally to look for buys here on the New York low. It is ideally to look for sells. Yes. So trading today is just the textbook. We're just looking for the textbook buy. The textbook buy at this level. What do I mean? The market comes, takes out the sell side liquidity. I wait for my model to play or deliver, and boom. As you can see, it is coinciding in the 15 minutes beautifully. Let's look at the 30 minutes. This one's taking forever to load, man. Yeah, take it out. The 30 minutes also is coinciding beautifully, and also I'll be wary of the 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour, because on the 1 hour I mentioned about this market selling off until it comes to this position over here. This position over here, let's pull this on a little bit. This position over here comes inside of this to create its second tap. Creating its second tap, it will be what will it be doing? It will be doing what is known as the double bottom. So that's what I'm looking at. But I will wait for my model to play out at this level. But at this area, I'm not willing to do anything. I am not I am not in a position to do anything, since I will need some of these OBs to be cleared out. This one and also this one can be cleared out, also this one can be cleared out, and there's this push over here around 5 pips. No, I will not be looking at 5 pips. 5 pips is not my cup of tea. You see, when I look for 5 pips, we are getting into what? To this area. If I tend to sell from this particular point. Yeah. So that's it for the analysis. Today I'm waiting for the textbook buy, taking out of the sell side liquidity, and on the 30 minutes, what I mentioned on the 30 minutes is this trend line liquidity that I drew. You can look and see what I was talking about. The trend line liquidity says that the liquidity that is lying on the equal lows, the lows of this area, should be taken out, and then market finds some kind of support at this point and then push to the upside again. So that I'll be looking at. Yeah, that's what's up, and have a beautiful day, man. See you tomorrow on Friday, the last day of the week, the first week. Remembering, do not break your own rules. For goodness sake, it is your own rules. There's no devil that came down tell you should follow these rules. It is the rules that you set for yourself. Don't break your own rules, and wait for your model to deliver, then take your trade. That's all. Bless. See you on my second channel today in the evening. Also today I'm not really into taking trades that much because it is a bank holiday. If you don't know, on the bank holiday there's low liquidity and all that. The market may continue doing what? Ranging. Yeah. See you on this channel, Kaeibo Journals, as I upload what I did today. And peace.